big hello to everyone who is watching this video. I am going to host the 721st TCS Maitri Toastmasters Club meeting. And over there, I'll take you into the world of gardening, a place where you learn not only about plants, but a place where you'll also learn about enjoyment, about the bliss of gardening, about the joys of gardening, about how to get rid of tension. All these things just by doing gardening and nothing else. So come this Saturday, 2nd October, 10 a.m. on Microsoft Teams and join me into the journey of gardening. Thank you. Looking forward to meet you there.